Today I want to show you how to write C program. First of all, we have to learn something uh, something we have to learn something introducing a language. Basically, suppose what is a C language? C is a general purpose structured programming language. Its instruction consists of terms that resemble algebraic expressions augmented by certain English keywords such as if, else, for, do, and while. And you have to know some history of C. Whenever you start a language, you know these things, the iterations and history. And what is the history of this C language? She was originally developed in 1970s by Dennis Ritchie and Bell Telephone Laboratories, now a part of AT&T. It is an outgrowth of two earlier languages called BCPL and B, which were also developed at Bell Laboratories. C was largely confined to use within Bell Laboratories until 1978, when Brain, Carnegie, and Ritchie published a definitive description of language. The Carnegie and the Ritchie description is commonly referred to as K and RC. Now I want to introduce what is the structure or how a C program structure consists. Here you see every C program consists of one or more modules called function. One of the functions must be called main. The program will always begin by executing the main function, which may causes other functions, which may access other functions. Any other functions definitions must be defined separately, either ahead or after main. Each function must consist: number one, a function heading, which consists of function name followed by the optional list of arguments enclosed in parentheses. Number two, a list of arguments declarations if arguments are included in the heading. Number three, a compound statement which comprise the remainder of function. Example, now I show you an example that a program in C will calculate the area the of a circle. Here you see, first of all, include the library files, then call the main functions, and then declare the variables, and then output statements, and then input statements, and then the calculations, and then show the outputs. Now these things I have to write in my C compiler, and you see how it is run. Okay, just copy this code. Okay, here you see I just copied this and open my C programming. Just click it open. Here you see it takes some time. uh, Here just open, click the start Turbo C++, and here is the menu, and my compiler it just turn on. Here I take a new editor. Just click file and then new. Here my new edit page open. After then just click it here. Clipboard paste. Oh, it is not. However, I just enter the library file. Okay, include the library file. Just click hash include studio studio h5 and then include Kunio h5 and then uh, main int main function in main start with parentheses, then variables float area radius and another a this is just now I type the right uh, I just write the outputs printf file printf dios restore but enter semicolon and scanf scanf and f percent f and radius radius and then the calculation are here area is equal to 3.14159 and this is the value of a pi. Do you know the value of pi? The pi value is 3.14159 and after then your multiplication with radius radius and radius then I want the output. Just print f shows the output, double quotation, area area equals to percent f and comma area. Okay. If a circle which radius is 1, 2, 3, 4, then the uh, which radius is 1, 2, 3, 4 length 1, 2, 3, 4, then the area is 3.14 into multiply into radius into radius. Okay. Now what's the output has come? I want to show the output on the next line. For this is why uh, just slash n in new line. Okay. And then I want to hold the screen. That is why I write this take character, and then the main function returns 0 and close the parentheses. These are the programs. Look at these are the programs. I just now compile the program. Is there any error? Check it out. Errors. Look, there are two errors. I just enter, then it shows here is the error because I never complete the line with semicolon. That's why it takes an error. And another time I also compile it. Here see there is no errors. So enter and run the program. Just click the run and click the run. And radius is 3. If a circle radius is 3, then the area is of the circle is 28 cubic meter. Square meter, sorry. Then enter. I can run another time. I can run another. Here see radius uh, 2. Then the area is 12 square meter. If the radius 2 meter, then the area is 12.56 square meter. You see, whenever I run this screen, always comes previous. So for that is why I use another new line and then compile. What's the effect of new line? You see, this will be one, and there is another compile. Look here, radius comes down the new line. Yes, set 5, then the area is 78.539. It's a very simple program. I want to show you uh, what is the what is the output here. Okay. Now we see the arguments, their comments. Here, this program create some title comments. In programming language, you use comments. Comments is especially For those who want to check your code or you want to express your code to others, this function is for this task purpose. Suppose here the include is the library access, library file access. You can write these things with the comments. Look it coding. Here is it. Okay. And I want to express what is these functions belongs to. How do I write? Just just click here, stir, then write header file. Include conjugated is a header file. So here you see a header file. And here SC program always consists with a main function, and this is main function. Main function. And these things are variables. Variables. Okay. And this is the output function which is arguments. Now I run this program. What you see is there are no errors. If you write these things in your code, then you can use this front slash and star. After then, what you write, this is not compile. If you close with a star and front slash. Okay, today these are the